for it.
I'm cleaning the pool, huh? Clean the pool. Huh? Sit down. Sit down. There you go. He kicks his little legs.
Zebariah.
Where's Mom? Where's Mom?
Zeb.
Where's Mom? I think it maybe.
Oh, let's see. There goes the bean.
Goodness. Oh my goodness. What's you? He likes the squeaky noise of his feet. Yeah. You like that? That's a pool, huh? That's a pool. What happened to my phone?
You dropped it in the pool.
Oh yeah.
Go scuba diving for it.
Hey.
Zebariah. Hey.
Does he like water over top of his head?
I don't know. He just breathes in usually, like that.
Yeah. Here, let me help.
Here comes a cloud of dust.
Whoa. What's that? Too much? Too much? Is that too much? Oh my. We're excavating next door. Thank God we got water over here, huh?
Zebariah's gonna be a monster. Mud monster.
You like that or not?
Yeah. He's not crying.
Yeah. I'm undecided on whether I like that or not.
Are you playing in your pool? Yeah? Do you like your new pool? Zebariah?
No, man.
As he's reaching for it. What's that?
Oh.
Oh.
No, the water's too cold.
Zebariah. What is that? What is that?
Oh. Problem is, it's gonna make the water cold now.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah. That's enough, huh?